a 2005 PT Cruiser GT. I don't know if the GT makes any difference, but it's a convertible, which means that when you shut the doors, the windows usually come down an inch or so, and they go pop back up. But it just quit working. Of course, the window controls are up on the dash. I can't find any fuses that appear to be blown, so I don't know where to go next. Which, like I say, the windows act like I was telling you. When you shut the door, the windows recede an inch or so for clearance with the convertible top, and then they pop back up after the door is shut. Where that has anything to do with it or not, I don't know. But I don't even have any window controls now.
Okay. And does
as far as being able to lower the windows, any windows.
And
I can't find a blown boot.
Does the convertible top work? I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
Oh, I haven't tried that.
Okay.
I guess I could. It wouldn't interfere with the windows, but I don't know if that's any part of the problem or not.
Okay.
It's just the window controls, that you would normally roll down.
Well, there are a couple technical service bulletins regarding this issue. They actually have a battery disconnect procedure to help remedy this situation. So the smart glass module on this convertible option basically locks up. What you can do is if you disconnect the battery cables from the battery and rub the cables together for 5 minutes and then reconnect them back up to the battery, that might unlock the smart glass module and it might start working again.
Disconnect the battery cables and rub them against each other?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I can try that.
If that doesn't work, there's also a reprogramming option. There's a technical service bulletin out that reprograms the smart glass module that might do the trick. So, but I would try the battery disconnect procedure first.
I'm not a Chrysler employee, but the technical bulletins that have a number, or I might be able to get access to that.
08-037-04.
08-037-04. Well, if I have no luck with these after I do the battery bit, I guess I'll be back on the...
If another thing you could do too is you could check for any, if the fuses are good. There's actually a circuit breaker in your fuse block. Circuit breaker number 2, you could check to make sure that's worked, that's not tripped, and then check for any broken wires.
Yeah, I just quit one day from the next.
Yeah.
Okay, circuit breaker number what?
Showing circuit breaker number 2 in the fuse block.
Okay, I can try that. I pull all the fuses. The fuses are down in the footwell, lower left footwell, your left foot, and I pulled all of them. I couldn't tell any of them were burned. So
okay.
I'll try that battery bit.
That sounds like a plan.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Good luck.